AI that automates back office, warehouse, and production operations is more in demand than ever before. But most operation teams are still managing manual processes, disconnected systems, and constant operational pressure. Data entry, packing decisions, production scheduling, all critical tasks, and all handled manually. So we asked ourselves, how do we design AI that truly automates back-office functions, warehouse, and production operations, allowing the most experienced people to free up the time necessary to focus on throughput, quality, and results? Let us introduce Agility Intelligence. Agility Intelligence applies machine learning and intelligent agents to automate warehouse, production, and manual workflows, unlocking speed, accuracy, and scalable growth, enhancing the ERP you already trust. Enhance, accelerate, outperform. We've created 4 products: AI Agent, AI Interpreter, AI Packing, and AI Production. AI Agent goes beyond chat, generating tailored deliverables and plans based on your goals and ERP data. It doesn't stop at recommendations. It can execute ERP transactions in real time. AI Interpreter eliminates manual entry by extracting structured data from invoices, PDFs, emails, and scanned documents with confidence scoring. AI Packing eliminates employee guesswork by automatically evaluating SKU dimensions, item constraints, and carton sizes to generate the most efficient carton configurations, maximizing cube utilization while minimizing freight costs. AI Production dynamically adjusts schedules using machine learning and optimization models to maximize efficiency as demand and capacity change. This AI solution isn't just a widget. It's fully embedded in your daily workflows. No new ERP, no process disruption. Native to your existing ERP, enabling smarter operations. Agility Intelligence.